Animal friendship story. One sunny morning, a rat was searching for food near a garden. He saw a butterfly trapped in spider web. The butterfly struggled and cried, "Please help me." The rat felt pity and quickly bit the web with his sharp teeth. The butterfly was free and said, "Thank you, kind friend. One day I will help you too." The rat laughed, "You are so small and delicate. How can you help me?" A few days later, a cat chased the rat. The rat ran, but the cat was too fast. Just then, the butterfly flew around the cat's face, flapping her colorful wings. The cat got distracted, and the rat escaped safely. The rat said with joy, "Now I know even little friends can give big help." Moral: never underestimate anyone. Every act of kindness comes back.